We have some poppets over here next to some slime. These are fidgets too, actually. So the jelly hair is totally a fidget. Camo fidgets, different shapes, base circles. This one's tie-dye and it has letters. Ooh, this is a nice big one. They have lots of them here, but these ones are the not good ones. These don't pop well. A rainbow one. And then boring ones behind it. Oh, this is cool. This is a snowflake and it's vanilla scented. Down here we got some unicorns. Oh, a pineapple. Some fun tie-dyed ones down here. This is cool. Oh, it's on a reindeer poppet. That's kind of not cute, but it's brown scented.